Hey guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I have a fun Easter DIY. I designed a couple of free printables that I will put in the comments below this video to help you decorate your little Easter chick. This is one of the chunky wood chicks from the Dollar Tree, and I want mine to be yellow and white gingham. I thought that'd be really cute. So what I did is I just printed that out on cardstock, and we are going to cover the entire silhouette of the little chick with the gingham. I went ahead and designed this to print out like an entire sheet of gingham. So if you don't have a chick and you want to cover something else, there's lots of different shapes of these from the Dollar Tree, but this one is specifically for the chick. That's why I made it yellow. And I also went ahead and did some orange, as you can see there, because I want it to have like a little orange chick beak and little orange feet. And I also did an eye on the orange part there for a printable. So I just put some Mod Podge down. I love Mod Podge and cardstock because it doesn't wrinkle, it dries quickly, and you can seal right on top of it without any mess. I'm just making sure that this is dry, and then I just go over it with some more Mod Podge. Just the matte Mod Podge from Dollar Tree. Now it's time to decorate everything else. I just kind of sketch out how big I want my little chick's beak to be out of that orange material. It's kind of like an orange watercolor material, which I thought was kind of cool. And this is easy enough to cut down this little triangle for right here. And then I also want to do the same thing with the little chick feet. I didn't like the idea of just being a silhouette, but I thought it really needed some features too, like the little chick and the feet being a different color. And I even decided to add an eye on this one. So I do the same thing here with the little chick feet. I just sketched that out with a pencil and cut those down to size. I printed this out on cardstock as well. And I think that looks pretty good. We're just going to go ahead and Mod Podge that on as well, just layering it on top of the gingham that was on there. The last step we have is just to do a little chick eye on there. I designed a cute little like cartoon eye that will be the perfect finishing touch for this cute little Easter DIY. I've done so many different things with these little chunky Easter signs from the Dollar Tree. They have bunnies, they have carrots, they have chicks. I think they have maybe 2 different kinds of chicks. And then I just Mod Podge the little eye right on top. Super easy to do. Everything was cut down to size and glued on. And here it is, our little yellow gingham chick. So festive for Easter. I love him. If you would like more Easter or Dollar Tree DIYs, be sure to check out my YouTube channel at Crafty Beach. And until next time, happy crafting.